Assalamualaikum and a very good day. I bid to your attention of my fellow friends. My name is M.Salleh. I am going to present my 3 articles to you. My first article is Cost Management through Product Design, Target Costing Approach. My second article is Architecture of a Dynamic Production Controller in Computer Integrated Manufacturing Enterprise Environments. And my last article is Heuristic Procedures for Solving the General Assembly Line Balancing Problem with Setups. We have been given 5 questions before as guideline to do our report and presentation. The first question is, what is the problem that the authors try to solve? Okay, let me settle with the first article. The first article is Cost Management through Product Design, Target Costing Approach. The author of this article is Yasmin Zengi. From the article, we can say that the author tried to develop a target costing module that will simplify implementation of target costing, especially in small and medium enterprises, SME. And then the purpose of the study is to explore the role of target costing. The role of target costing in managing product costs while promoting quality specifications that will meet customer requirements. Second question, what method is used to solve that problem? Process consists of 3 sequential steps. The first step for feature extraction and the second 2 steps for feature selection. Okay, step 1 is literature and preliminary experiments. Step 2 is filter approach. Step 3, C4, 5, internal feature selection. Okay, technology involved in this article is SMT, Surface Mount Technology. This technology was chosen as a case study to construct a simulation test bed for the CIM enterprise environment. The third question is, what is the data? I use the data given based on those articles. Okay, for the last question, which is limitation or assumption. For my first article, Cost Management through Product Design, Target Costing Approach, I have found several limitations about this article. During implementation process, several difficulties have been raised. These difficulties can be generally classified as implementation issues, technical and managerial difficulties. Okay. The main difficulty of QFDTC process for the company was the resistance to change. Okay. Let me cut it short. Technically, changing the control unit caused a sequence of changes in the design. Hence, the other components used in the current systems were not suited to the pneumatic controlling unit. Second, in the accounting department, there exist some problems in the use of the target costing module. The spread of the module and new costing process depends on the development and design of a new cost information database to support the target costing module. And the third one is degree of resistance to change in marketing. Because marketing research has been conducted by the department independently and according to marketing department managers. The new process is excessively time consuming. Okay. Move on to my second article, which is Heuristic Procedures for Solving the General Assembly Line Balancing Problem with Setups, which the author is Rafael Pester. The author try to solve problem regarding on designing and balancing assembly lines that has been examined extensively in the literature. Okay, for the third article, which is Architecture of a Dynamic Production Controller in CIM Enterprise Environment. The author is Chun Jong Kwak. The author tried to solve problem regarding on production control such as dispatching and job preemption. This is a very challenging problem in dynamic and stochastic computer integrated manufacturing. For the second question, what method is used to solve that problem? The author used QFD deployment target costing process. This process involves 6 steps, which firstly is desired quality specifications and functionality, where customer requirements are integrated into the process. Second, target selling price. Here, target selling price is specified in accordance with competitive market conditions and customer input. And the third step is target costing. Based on the specified selling price and the organization's profit policy, a profit margin is determined and the target cost is established. The target costing module is used to determine target cost for the product. Step 4. Cost breakdown on cost drivers. Here, VE analysis is embedded into the model in order to reduce the cost in the design phase of the product and is especially effective at this stage. Step 5 is target costing through product design. Target costing is going through product design, where it is integrated with other management functions, tools and techniques to obtain cost reduction. And last step is continuous improvement. Target cost is achieved and continuous improvement is suggested through the Kaizen philosophy. Okay, for the second question, for this second article, the question is what method is used to solve that problem. Here we use heuristic method consists of terminology, workstation-oriented procedure based on not-weighted priority rules, task-oriented procedure, workstation-oriented procedure based on weighted priority rules, and improved task assignation schemes within a workstation. With that, I thank you.